You all may be seated. Miss Wilson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, I would like an increase in my financial support.
Okay, and your financial support or support for your children?
Support for the children.
Okay, Mr. Wilson, please.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it, okay? Do not address her. I'm talking to her. You will have your opportunity to speak, okay?
Yes,
Thank
Your
you. Go ahead.
All right, y'all, buckle up because this one goes from calm to chaotic real fast. We've got Miss Wilson walking in ready to talk child support, and Mr. Wilson sitting there already looking irritated before anything even starts. The judge is cool and controlled, but this case? Oh, it's messy. Money, secrets, a secretary spilling tea, and a surprise $50,000 that magically isn't income. Nobody's yelling yet, but trust me, the temperature in this room is about to rise quick.
As I was saying, I'm already receiving child support, yes, but I would like an increase for our children.
Okay, how many children do you all have?
2.
And how much are you receiving at this time?
$1,500 a month.
$1,500 a month, okay. And you believe that you're warranted an increase? Like, did he come into some money that you know about?
As a matter of fact, he did.
Okay, how do you know?
His secretary kind of told me.
His secretary told you?
Yes.
Did she tell you something or did you ask her to look for you?
No, honestly, she just brought it to my attention.
Sounds like you need...
Miss Wilson drops the first bomb when she casually mentions the secretary sliding her some inside money info. And instantly you can see Mr. Wilson panic smirking like he's been caught in 4K. The judge shuts him down fast, reminding him he's not running the conversation today. And honestly, you can already feel the tension. They're divorced, bitter, and every sentence feels like it's carrying a hidden jab. The judge is trying to keep it clean, but these two are ready to turn this into a soap opera. Do you think the secretary really talked, or was Miss Wilson doing her own digging?
Let's go. What is she talking about?
Well, I have an interest in an oil and gas, 2 oil and gas partnerships.
Okay.
But really, it's been a dud. We hadn't made any money until the last year we made some money.
What's some money?
I don't know how much the partnership made, but I received a $50,000.
Let me ask this question. When I ask a question, just answer it.
Yes, Your
I don't
Honor.
need all the extra.
Yes, Your Honor.
How much money are we talking about?
Well, the partnership itself made about $3 million.
$3 million?
But I received $50,000 distribution.
Now we're getting to it. You received...
Well, I didn't receive $50,000. $50,000.
Did you come in my courtroom to play games? I'm really
Your-
not here to play games with you.
No.
He does that a lot.
Your Honor, she's...
Now here's where it gets wild. Mr. Wilson admits he's in an oil and gas partnership, says it made no money, but then slips and mentions they made millions last year. The dude tried to breeze past $3 million like it was pocket change. The judge immediately tightens up like, hold on, sir, run that back. And then he tries minimizing it with, well, I only got $50,000. His energy shifts from confident to cornered real quick. Is he downplaying the money? Or just hoping nobody can do the math?
Well, the partnership paid a debt of mine in the amount of $50,000.
Okay, so your partnership paid a debt of $50,000. What debt was that?
It was to the IRS.
Okay, all right. So you know that we could deem that as income, right? For purposes
Your
of
Honor.
calculating your child support.
But I didn't even receive, it didn't even touch my bank account.
It doesn't have to touch your bank account. And under Texas law, I could deem that $50,000 as income, although it's not income producing. What else? Where else you work?
Well, I'm an attorney,
Okay. What type of law do you practice?
criminal law.
Criminal law. All right. How much money you make there?
Well, it ebbs and flows.
Well, answer the question, Mr. Wilson.
I make about I bring home about $80,000.
All right. Let me look at some documents you turned in here. According to your documents, your tax return last year was $72,000. That's about accurate?
That sounds about right.
Okay. So let me tell you what we're getting ready to do. That $50,000.
This whole $50,000 dance. The judge is not buying any of his dodging. He says, I didn't receive the money. And the judge hits him with the Texas law hammer. Income is income even if it touched your debt instead of your hands. You can literally see him shrinking in his seat, like he didn't expect anyone to know that rule. The judge keeps it clean, but the message is loud. Stop trying to finesse the numbers. Is he really confused? or acting confused to avoid paying more.
They
Are
are.
your tax returns correct or they incorrect? Is it as simple
According to my
yes or no?
CPA.
According to your CPA. Okay.
I
So,
didn't prepare them.
according to that, I have your off doing the gross from the $50,000. That brings your gross to $42,000, $4,200, excuse me. The net of that is $3,510.58. And then, according to your tax return, you make $72,000 in your business, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. So that gross is $6,000, which brings that net to $4,779. It covers health insurance for the children.
I do.
How much is health insurance?
$161.
$161. Let me just make sure. Is that what you're looking at in front of you? Okay, I'm just making sure. I have your document here. $161. You're going to be responsible for reimbursing that to her.
Thank you.
This right here is the breaking point. Judge runs the numbers and boom, his income jumps hard. Health insurance reimbursement, gross totals, net totals, everything stacking up. And then this man tries to switch the subject to Instagram vacations. That's when the judge snaps right back, dropping a "stop wasting my time" and shutting both of them down. The attitude flips instantly. He went from defensive to petty, and she went from calm to triggered. Is he genuinely worried about money? Or just mad she's finally winning?
So,
Well, you don't have to thank me. I didn't do you a favor. That's just what the law says. Okay? So, adding your two net resources together, I have $8,289.96. Reimbursement for the health insurance, prior to adding the reimbursement, it comes out to $2,072.50. Reimbursement of $161 gets you to $2,233.50 because your income did increase from the time that you all got
Your
a
Honor,
divorce.
Can I say something?
Can you ask me the question without wasting my time? Can you do that?
I saw on her Instagram that she goes on a lot of trips. I just think this extra money just
no.
gonna go to these trips. I really don't think it's gonna go to anything related.
That is not true.
Excuse me?
That is not true.
Excuse me?
You need to stop it.
Excuse me,
I can
both
show
of
you
you
the
need to
Instagram.
stop it. Both
It's
of you need
Instagram,
to
it's
stop
fake.
it. Excuse me. When I talk, the two of you be quiet. Now I see why y'all got a divorce. Y'all cannot get along.
No, we got
Listen to
divorced 'cause
this.
he cheated.
No, let me tell you about
cheated.
this. I don't care if he cheated. I do not care about her. What I care about is the money that you've made to make sure that your children are taken care of. According to the documents that your CPA produced, your income went up. Therefore, your children are entitled to a final child support amount, $2,233.50. Is there anything further from either of you?
No, ma'am, that'd be great.
Thank you. Anything further, Mr. Wilson?
I guess not, Your Honor.
Well, I guess you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
And that's the final hit. Child support locked in at $2,233.50. No drama left to argue. No loopholes. No last-minute excuses. The judge made it clear. Your income went up, so your responsibility goes up. This whole case showed exactly what happens when old resentment meets fresh money. Every secret, every jab, every petty thought came pouring out. If this courtroom roller coaster hit you like it hit me, drop a comment and subscribe for more real cases we break down every week.